Homethings are tackling the single-use plastic problem by rethinking everyday household goods.
Our solution is all about how we make it easy for consumers to refill again and again at home without needing that piece of single-use plastic. For both of us, we wanted to build a brand that fits with our values and our ethos around, sustainability and environment. And I think with Homethings, we're both doing something that we're super passionate about.
Tim is an awesome person to work with. His energy, positivity, everyday attitude couldn't get much better.
So I think Matt's best thing is he is absolutely an operations guy. He's a doer, very strategic, big planner, make sure we get things done, make sure we're holding ourselves to account. I think from that perspective it works really well with the two of us balancing each other.
Maybe sound really fun.
It's been a lot of fun coming in every day, thinking about how we grow a brand that has impact.